How to know if someone has blocked you on Telegram app. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you or explain you on how you can know if someone has blocked you on Telegram app. Now, there's no certain way or there's no certain option where you can go ahead and view if someone has blocked you on the app. However, what you can do is if you open up the app and if you text someone, now here I'll just text into this profile here. You can see there is a two check mark icon, and down below in the text that I just texted there is a single check mark option. Now this might mean that the person is offline and is not online. However, if you sent the text and a long time has passed since you sent the text, a couple of hours has already passed or a couple of days has passed, and the check mark is still a single check mark or tick mark and there is no multiple tick mark, then it might mean that the person has blocked you. The second way is on the profile at the top right. If you open up the chat, you can see the last seen at there. If the person active status isn't shown, if when they were last active or if they are active, if the active status is not shown, then it might be that they have blocked you, since if you have been blocked by someone you won't be able to view the active status, or if you have blocked someone they won't be able to view your active status. So these are the only way that you can see if someone has blocked you. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.